Next, so what are the examples of innovative product or service? There are 5 examples: financial technology, internet, touchscreen, online marketplace, and cloud computing. All of them are in accordance with our definition. And next, and also at the same time with innovation, it is bringing a lot of changes, and one of them is digital connection, and it will be presented by Nina.
Thank you, Davia, and I will explain about the digital connections. Here are the examples of digital connections. Next, and how they can give advantages for organizations. Here we give a survey from annual digital growth. And next, this is total internet time. And next, it will provide support for the business organizations for customer relationships and this and this. And next, also for universities enrollment and the others. Next. Okay. No. And this is the example from the University of San Diego, the traditional process that we compare with next to the digital one. And next session will be discussed by my partner.
So does the digital ecosystem is the form, it's a feature form of the business organization? We think that yes, but does it undermine the traditional structure? We don't think so. But the collaboration of them is the key. By having the adaptability and flexibility of the digital ecosystem will enhance the effectiveness and efficiency of the company's operation, and also for the top management for hierarchical structure will easily to identify the business opportunities in the future by integrating the data that they got. And also for the management will offer more various payment methods to the customer that will be resulted to more engagement and more transaction with the customer. So the collaboration is the key. So next will be explained by my partner, Edu.
Okay, thank you. Now I will explain why conglomerate structure is difficult to develop a strategy. Next, and then next. So, and then also next, and then next. So why conglomerate structure is difficult to develop strategy? Next. Because they operate diversified business. They have number of business that operate that unseen, unrelated. They have diversified business, so they have different market, different customer, and different culture. So they have different ways to interact with their customer. So it may require different strategy to interact with the customer. So developing only one strategy will not guarantee it could fit to every business that the company have. So our suggestion for this problem is that company like that should seek out ways to create coherence across what may seem like very different business to build a different kind of diversity to win the competition. Next will be explained by my partner, Rohan.
Okay, thank you, Edo. Next. So here is what is objective of individual as a product. Here we show you examples of 6 applications that may look free or maybe cheap to be used, but actually they manage to get an enormous amounts of money from their customers. So the question is, how can they do that? Next. Here, the first one, basically the company will create an application, or it may be a product or services, and the next step, the company will connect a penetrate market, or they will introduce their product to their customer for the customer to use. And the third one, which is the most crucial part or the key, is to gather information. So after they get information from the customer, they try to analyze and use it. It can create an objective of good customer relationship, trend identifications, and etc., which at the end leads to the customer satisfaction and of course to increase the shareholder wealth. Next will be explained by my partner, Leo.
Thank you. And the next is the face recognition. Next. So here's the uses of facial recognition technology. The first one is the entrance authorization, payment verification, and crime detection. Next. But unfortunately, there are downsides of facial recognition technology. The first one is the misappropriation of the information gathered, and the inaccuracy in detecting the faces, and dependency on the technology. So how to do it? We have to create a law to prevent the misappropriation. We have to improve the technological accuracy, and then we have to provide the backup plan for the technological problem. The next is the conclusion.
So at the conclusion, digital ecosystem is adaptability and flexibility, so flexible to the company's operation. But there are some points to be resolved in the future. The real law and regulation to prevent the misappropriation of the personal